them soft lips.
I am so excited for this tutorial because I haven't worn my hair out in so long. So y'all see me right now on my way to get it braided down in the front for this half wig. So shout out to my braider who got this done for me. She went ahead and blow dried my hair, and after she got done getting all my kinks out, and I need a trim badge, y'all, like, oh my god. The first half of this video is going to be like a vlog style. I just wanted to show you guys a few snippets of the braider braiding my hair down. And I really enjoyed getting my hair done. Like, I'm always doing my hair, so it feels so good to have somebody else in my head and doing it for me because I cannot braid to this expertise at all. So I really wanted to try this hairstyle. I thought it would be perfect for this wig. And yeah, so y'all see she just pulling on my edges right here and got her spatula for the edge control or gem. I don't know what she's using, but she's using something that's orange. And she's just gonna start braiding my hair, y'all. And I didn't realize what she was doing with the comb. I'm like, why she keep picking up the comb? But she's picking up the comb to make the hair like fishtail, like the braids a fishtail type of braid, which added a little oomph to this hairstyle, and I loved it. She definitely ate down. I was extremely tired also while filming this, so mind my face looking a little disinterested. I was honestly just looking at the TV and closing my eyes in between taking little naps here and there. I'm gonna let this voiceover stop here for now, just so y'all can watch me get my hair braided, and I will be back soon just to talk a little bit and then completely into voiceover mode once we put this half wig on, okay, and get to blend out my hair. So just sit this through, enjoy the little vibes, the music, and yeah, I'll be back.
Back and forth, you rock me, yeah. So I surrender to every word you whisper, every door you enter. I will let you in. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you, 'cause you're just my type. Oh na 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 na, I need a boy to take it over. Looking for a guy to put you over.
My braider had on a movie originally, but then she turned on YouTube. I'm like, yes, that's my is. She had on, I forgot what that podcast is, but it's the two girls, two black women who sit there and they like, I don't know, it's like purple and pink. Y'all know what I'm talking about, but I was so entertained. Like, leave a comment down below if you guys watch that podcast. I definitely want to start watching it more just to pass time because conversation was actually pretty good. Like, it wasn't dry. I was entertained for sure. But y'all see she's adding the design here right now, and I was like, dang, like I was hoping for her to do the side part on the left side because that's what I'm used to. Like, always, I always go for my side part, like the hair falling towards the left, but she did it towards the right, and I was like, okay. Like, at first I was like, this is not what I wanted, but we made it work, and I honestly really liked how it came out once it was all said and done. I didn't know she was going to leave my edges bare for me to do them, but I was like, hey, we lit, because that was just gonna be more for the tutorial. And yeah, so this is me on my way home in my Uber. I'm like, I'm trying to feel it, I'm trying to catch the vibes, but it just really wasn't what I was expecting originally. So yeah, but y'all see I have put the half wig on right here right now just to show y'all my hair puffed out and how it looks originally out the package. So this is what it looks like. The blend is not blending at all. Like, no. So we're going to fix that. I went ahead and washed this hair with this shampoo. Y'all can go ahead and screenshot this to use it y'all selves because it is really good. And this is what the hair looked like afterwards. I also did wash it with just my fingers. I just ran my fingers through this hair. Oh, I also did use a brush. I'm tripping. Yeah, I used a Demon brush to brush through this hair as I washed it. And this was the fallout. It wasn't terrible. This is a lot of hair, so it's expected. I wanted to put on this wig ASAP and complete this look, so I went ahead and blow dried the inside of the cap because it was extremely wet. So I would just blow dried it on a high heat setting to dry it down. And this is the back that she did. She went ahead and braided that up for me, and this is the wig. I just wanted to show you guys how full it is. It's so luscious. The curls are now activated from the wash, and it's semi-dry. It's not completely dry. It's not completely wet. It's in the middle. So yeah, this is the inside of the wig. It comes with this really long clip, which is what we're going to attach in the back. A clip on the side, and then another clip on the other side, and then a clip in the back, and then also a drawstring, which we're going to tie and pull really tight to make sure this don't move, because it definitely didn't. So yeah, shout out to HerGivenHair, because yeah, they ate with the setup. All right, time for the fun part. I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on my head. So I'm just take this clip and adjust it and add it right to where the braids begin in the back. I'm gonna clip my hair up too in the front because it was kind of in the way, and I wanted to give you guys a good look at what I'm doing here. So I'm gonna add the clip on the left side, and then also, wait, on the right side, and then also on the left side here. So yeah, and it clips really firmly. It wasn't hurting my head at all or anything, and I did tie that drawstring in the back too, and y'all see it is not moving. Like, I'm shaking, I'm moving. Exactly. So now I'm going to get into blending my hair. I'm using this mousse here, and I will have everything linked down below, by the way, too, so y'all can use this product that I was using as well, because they're really good and this smells really good. So I just took that foam to my hair. I did not wet my hair. I don't think I did. Yeah, no, I didn't wet my hair. I just took it straight to my blow dried hair, and I'm just finger coiling the strands. So I'm separating the hair that's left out, and I'm just going to finger coil it. I do recommend using a curl defining brush, like a Denman brush, to brush out your hair first before doing what I'm doing here. I feel like it would just get the curls better, and I did end up doing that on later days. I wanted to use some curling or some leave-in conditioner too, my bad. Some leave-in conditioner too from Auntie Jackie's, just to help define these curls even more. But I was a little nervous. I'm like, dang, this is like super white. I was like, is this going to dry or what? So I didn't use it all throughout my hair. I just used it right here, but it ended up drying down. So I definitely should have used it throughout my whole hair, but it's cool. The curling foam did what it needed to do. I'm going in to scrunch the hair into my hand just to help the curl really hold, and I'm just showing y'all the length because the length is crazy. Like, my hair is long as shit. I do still need to trim my ends though. The curls was still popping, so it's cool. It's cool. So I just want to show y'all up close what the curl was giving. The half wig, by the way, is a Coily 3C4A textures. There's many textures that HerGivenHair has. I felt that this would match my hair the best, and I think it did. If y'all think the blend was blending, y'all let me know in the comments too, and leave a like. So yeah, I'm just adding some foam throughout the top of this hair thoroughly all the way out, just to help flatten everything. I'm just showing y'all the hair and the length because I wanted to cut some off. Definitely not necessary, but it was 18 inches, so I got it down to about like a 16 inch, and I wanted to shape it as well. So y'all gonna see me here just trimming it a little bit. I didn't really know what I was doing. I was trying to mimic what I be seeing on TikTok. But yeah, I did think this would be best for me in general, just because my hair isn't that long and the shrinkage do be real. So yeah, I thought it would just make more sense for the hair to be a little bit shorter, for it to look more natural. I be so excited in my voiceovers, y'all. I just get so tongue-tied, like, oh my god. But y'all see now, I'm gonna go ahead and start blending out this wig and defining it with the same products that I used on my hair. I did go in with the curl conditioner though too, so, or the hair leave-in conditioner. It's leave-in conditioner, y'all. But yeah, I'm just putting that all throughout my hair, and I'm doing my best to saturate every piece of this wig because it is so much hair, y'all, so much. And when I'm wetted, I did not drench the hair in water. I just got it thoroughly wet. To thoroughly define these curls, I am going to take my brush now and just brush through this hair. And I wanted to add a little bit more product to this hair too, so I just picked up some more of this curling mousse, and I'm also using my brush in a upward motion to thoroughly get these curls popping. Now that that's done, I am going to use my hands again to scrunch up the curls to make sure that they really mold. It wouldn't hurt to just let this hair air dry, but I did think it would be best to blow dry it. I wish I had a diffuser, but I'm just going to use my hand as a diffuser. So I'm still scrunching up the curls as if I would with the diffuser, and I'm stretching out the hair too to really blow dry this hair. I keep saying really because I'm really trying to put y'all on to how to define these curls and what I'm doing here, because the blend at the end was insane. I wanted these curls to give juicy, like luscious. So I went in to coil up the hair some more, and also did that throughout the actual wig so it can match with what I was trying to do with my actual hair. And by the way, I forgot to mention I did blow dry everything on a high heat setting. All right, now time to do my edges. I haven't done my edges in so long, like OMG. So I'm just combing it out right here. And then I'm going to take some Icy Fantasia heat protecting spray to put that throughout the hair, because I didn't want to just be extra and hot comb this hair and curl it as if I would do a wig and lay my edges down that way. This isn't a wig though, so I'm not about to have this on a super high setting of heat. I only had it on like 375 degrees. That was all it needed to press out this hair. So I am just going to do this nice and slow and do it repeatedly until I feel like they're all the way straightened out, and then pick up my pencil flat iron and curl these baby hairs. I did do it a couple of times just so I can get the curl that I really wanted. And yeah. To achieve this look though, you definitely don't need to take all these steps. You can just take some good old edge control or edge gel. After a couple of days of doing this style, I did use my olive oil edge gel. I forgot I had this, honestly. I would have used this if I knew I had it. This is the edge brush that I'll be using, and then I'm going to take some Gatsby glue spray for molding these baby hairs down. So I'm just going to spray it at the top of my hair and then just get to shaping these. So I wanted to add a little umph and do a little, you know, a little side sweep. I don't know what you would call that, but y'all know. Y'all know what it is. Yeah, so I just did that, but I didn't completely finish it right then and there. But I'm just doing my edges as if I would be doing it on a wig, like honestly, literally, that's what I was doing, using my fingers to help mold it down and swooping until I felt like the shape was giving what I wanted to give. I'm not going to do any much more talking throughout me doing my baby hairs. Y'all just vibe to the music and watch me do my edges, and we'll be back when these are all done for the final look. For some final touches here, I'm going to take some Chi Iron Guard. I would use some BioSilk. I'm just out of it, so because it is lighter, but yeah, I'm just use this to add some shine to the baby hairs. I'm just extra, y'all. I'm just hella extra. But I wanted to put that throughout the braids too for some shine, and a little bit throughout the hair as well. This is the end of it though, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I love this half wig. I'm so glad that we're bringing half wigs back. The style was so cute. This wig is perfect to take on and take off at the end of the night. You feel me? Once you get back home from the gym, from work, from going out, wherever, however you live your life. This is perfect for any type of lifestyle. And the blend is crazy. Like, it is immaculate. Highly recommend this wig. And HerGivenHair is doing a sale right now, so y'all make sure to check the description box for that, for the 10-year anniversary, and also the links to this wig. This half wig is so versatile, as you guys can see here, and also a perfect protective style for the summertime, which we need in this heat. Thanks y'all for tuning into this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.